You going to drive this when you're older? Right.
What's this?
That's Abby's car. It's very loud.
Why is it very loud?
Do you want to hear it?
Yes.
I know. Ready? Ready? I'm going to cut the back. Is that noisy? Should I stop it? Do you like it? Are you going to drive this when you're older? Yeah. Right, I'm going to turn it off now. Are you going to drive it?
I am.
You are? Okay. Maybe when you're 17.